That is a good shark.
Been on this big one for a little while here. See him down there. He's maybe about 5 feet, 10 feet under the water. He's good size though. So Bruce has on what could be the fish of the day right here. Oh, it's a beauty. It's a trigger. We've got ourselves a trigger fish. That's exactly what we came for today. That's a good one.
It's like number 11 for us today, huh?
Yes. Beautiful.
Hey, this is Bruce. Well, I'm out fishing with my friend Kyle. Kevin. Jeez, sorry, Kevin. Kevin has got a great little YouTube channel called Florida Coast to Coast Fishing, and I urge you to check it out. It's got some great fish recipe type videos on there too. Say hello, Kevin.
Hey, how's it going?
All right, it's been a good day. We've been fishing quite a while here and getting ready to head in. I'll talk to you soon. So Miss Angela is making up some fish here. This is that trigger fish, and I've cut it up earlier. And she's actually doing Alton Brown's Miso Honey Glazed fish recipe. I'm thinking it's going to be amazing. So far what we've got, this is some miso, organic white miso. This is some honey. This is, I don't know, she got that from some character. And I think this is going to be really good. All right, so this is my youngest daughter, Angela, the lovely Angela. And so, what are we doing, Angela?
Okay, so we're gonna take this super easy recipe that is just honey and miso and combine it. So we got Bruce and his bees honey, harvested fresh by both of us. And then the white miso.
Sure you're pronouncing that right?
Yes, miso. And then you just whisk it together. And then we're gonna coat the fish. Up the sides to get all the good sauce, and then we'll stick it in the oven. For 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so we need to make sure the internal temperature is 135. At least, and it's 200, so we're good.
She lasered my fish.
Yes. Shoot it and make sure it was dead.
It smells amazing. All right, so we're fixing to eat. We've got fresh steamed rice. We've got miso, honey glazed triggerfish, and bok choy with roasted fried garlic on it. Lovely. It's going to be nice. That is nice.
Very good.
That miso gives it that kind of woody flavor I really like. It's kind of stronger than the honey. The honey's not quite as sweet in this dish. But wow, that old trigger, he gave up its life to do good for us. That was nice. I know this was kind of a different kind of video than what we usually do, but beekeeping goes on. So I'd like you to check out this playlist up here for some of my beekeeping works and how-tos. All right, this is Bruce, my lovely young Angela. Sorry guys, she's taken. We'll see you next time.
Bye.